Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Solutions. Today's video is for all of you using heat mode ACs like heat pump AC, inverter AC, split AC. You set the temperature to 28 degrees Celsius, press the heat mode, but the AC still blows cold air snowflake instead of warm air fire. Don't worry, in most cases, the issue is small and can be fixed at home. So stay with me step by step and save money bag. Check these settings first. Before opening anything, check these. Keycap 1 mode should be heat mode. Remote shows sun icon. Keycap 2 set temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. Heat mode takes time to start. Keycap 3 select high fan speed. Keycap 4 check the timer. Sometimes it delays heating. Keycap 5 makes your swing is open for airflow. Backhand index pointing right heating takes 3 to 5 minutes to start because the compressor first compresses gas and warms up the coil. If after 5 minutes still cold air, move to next step. Outdoor unit not running? Go outside and check. Is the outdoor fan rotating? Can you hear the compressor sound? If only indoor AC is on but outdoor is silent, your AC cannot heat. Possible issues. Loose power connection high voltage. Tripped MCB electric plug. Burnt capacitor very common. PCB command issue. If fan starts but compressor doesn't, capacitor is suspect. We'll check that later in this video. Frost or ice on outdoor unit. In heating mode, outdoor unit becomes cold. Sometimes it forms ice on the coil like a freezer. That blocks heat transfer, no heating inside. Fix. Turn on defrost cycle. AC does this automatically. You may hear compressor plus fan stops for a few minutes to help defrost. Small blue diamond turn off the AC for 10 minutes. Small blue diamond clean the outdoor unit airflow. Small blue diamond remove leaves / dust blocking air circulation. Small blue diamond spray lukewarm water only, not hot, on coil. If icing comes back low, gas is likely the real issue. Gas / refrigerant issue. Heating needs correct pressure. Low gas. Compressor runs but air stays cold. Or AC stops after a few minutes. Look for signs. Ice on outdoor pipe. Hissing noise. Weak airflow. Gas charging must be done by a technician, but diagnosing it is your power. Capacitor or four-way valve fault. Small blue diamond capacitor weak equals compressor won't start. Result, air cold even in heating. Fix video available on channel. Check description. Small blue diamond four-way reversing valve, very important. This valve switches your AC from cooling heating. If stuck, cooling works. Heating doesn't or blows mildly warm air. Test. Turn off AC, switch back to heat mode. Listen for a click sound inside outdoor unit. If no click, valve stuck or coil failure. Small tapping sometimes unsticks the valve. Do gently. If still no, switch, call technician. Air filter and coil cleaning. Dirty indoor filter equals no airflow equals no warm air inside. Steps. Remove filters. Clean with water and dry. Vacuum indoor coil if dusty. Ensure no object blocking air outlet. Heating improves instantly. Fire. Final pro tip and wrap up. Let's summarize the common causes. Symptom most likely problem. Outdoor unit off power / PCB / capacitor. Icing outside low gas / auto defrost. Weak heating dirty filter / low pressure. Cold air always mode / reversing valve. Slow heating normal behavior. Wait 5 minutes. Warning if gas leak or four-way valve fault, technician needed. But 70% of problems are solved with settings, filter cleaning, and minor checks. If this video helped, give a like, thumbs up, comment your AC model, and I'll guide you personally. Subscribe bell for real appliance solutions. Not marketing, only truth. Stay warm, stay smart. See you in the next video.